G'day guys, it's Adam. Just going to show you how to install BerleyPro prism pocket on the side of your Hobie Lynx seat. So basically when you get the pocket, it comes with a backing plate that goes on your seat, and the pocket then attaches to the backing plate. All the screws and the bolts are provided, so there's 2 extra bolts provided, which are longer bolts. Obviously you've got to go through the plastic and into the seat, so they provide a longer bolt for that reason. Now the first thing to notice is that the shape of this backing plate is a similar shape to the shape of your seat. So the backing plate goes this way. I have seen people try to put it that way. It doesn't go this way. It definitely goes this way. So the bigger part of the plate goes with the bigger part of the seat, and the narrower part of the seat and the narrower part of the plate match up. So basically it will sit like this. Okay, so the first thing you should do after you've established that is to establish how your pocket actually sits on your plate, because BerleyPro make a number of different pockets. They can fit with different hole configurations, so the best way is to actually just line it up and work out how that actually goes on the actual plate, on the backing plate. You'll notice in the top corner here that this is where the bolt will go through into your seat. So I'll go ahead now and I'll screw this prism pocket onto the backing plate, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how it bolts onto the seat. Okay, so once that's done, it's worth noting that you're going to have a spare hole here, which again is where your bolt goes through and mounted onto the seat. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Not forgetting that when you mount it, you need to replace your strap here, which locks your seat back down onto the Lynx itself. basically want to come back into the other side now and make sure that you pick up the strap again. And basically you're threading this through until we get through to the frame and into the top part of the leg. And that's how the process begins. Okay, now the last step is BerleyPro provides you with a zip tie, and the zip tie is just for a bit of extra stability, so it goes through the hole here at the back, and you just pull it up snug on the back of the seat. So I like to just fold it around the back to make sure it's out of the way, so it's not going to scratch my hands when I'm out fishing. And just cut the tag off, and you're done. Prism pocket on your Lynx.